how to unlock the Influencer Hub on Sweatcoin. So it's actually super simple. You have to go to the social tab right here at the bottom, and then once you're taken here at the clubs page, you want to select friends, and from here you gotta scroll down until you see your Sweatcoin link. Now you gotta copy this invite link and you have to refer 20 people. So after you have referred 20 people, you will get an option for the Influencer Hub right here on the main page of your Sweatcoin. So it will change looks completely after you have successfully referred 20 people, and then you will get access to all of the features of the Influencer Hub on Sweatcoin. So remember, refer 20 people with the method that I showed you by sharing your link, and you will have access to Influencer Hub. Hope this was informative, hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.